Magana matumia KIAMA kia UDA magwikinyitie cikaro-ini cia Bomas guku Nairobi niguo gutaririo mubango wa KIAMA giki hari gutigirira atumia ni magunika na thirikari ya Kenya KWANZA na ningi kuheo mutaratara wa ithurano cia KIAMA iria cibangirwo mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka uyu. Mucemanio-ini uyu ni kumiririe uteti wa kana kuri na ngayukano gatagati ga President William RUTO na munini wake Rigathi wa Gachagua aria matiganite makiuria eria ya kwaga gwitikira kugayukanio niguo mathie na mbere na kurutira Kenya wira uria mathurirwo.
We are telling you without fear that you have our 101% support. You and your boss the president tuko na nyinyi 100% na kuna mtu ataleta any challenge between the two of you.
Tusikubali watu kuingia katikati yao kuwagawanya hawa watu wawili.
No AKIARIA KIGOMANO giki Rigathi NIAREGANITE na uhotekeku wothe wa ngayukano gatagati gake na president akiuga ati aria marahujia ndeto icio matire na muoroto mwega wa thirikari.
Ni wale wanaotaka kuleta mtafaruku hapa. Sisi kina mama ndio pila. Tunasemaje? Tunasema rais na Rigathi are inseparable.
We are telling whoever has an agenda to cause a separation or division between our two leaders, apotelee mbali.
Government of the Republic of Kenya under the very able leadership of President William RUTO is one and is solid and very stable. And there can never be any division or any conflict. That is a creation of people who are still living in denial.
Riri ni rita ria keri ihinda-ini ria kiumia kimwe Rigathi areyumiria gutetera ngwataniro yake na president amwona muthia-ini wa kiumia githiru ni erigite kuuga ati we na president ni mararutithania wira wega na ona miario-ini yake umuthi augite ati ona ni araheo kanya ga gutongoria ndundu ya minister na president.
There are many people who give President William RUTO no chance. They are now envious that he is succeeding. He has become a darling of the international community. He is progressing on the economic transformation of this republic. So they want to imagine that there can be a problem. There will be none. The president and I are joined together at the hip under an ideology.
Tutasimama na wao hawa mpaka malengo yatimie.
Naona gutwika Rigathi ni ateteire ngwataniro yake na president kuronekana gukorwo na ngurani yake meciria igie kana aria mathurire thirikari ino no mabati kuguneka na mawira makwa murwo thirikari-ini amu ona thutha wa president kuga thirikari-ini ya Kenya othe Rigathi omothe augite murugamo wake nducenjetie wati aria mathurire thirikari nio makwamba kuguneka.
Unajua msimamo wangu? Sitaki kusema ni gani. Mnajua msimamo wangu? Ati msimamo gani? Sasa mimi niko hapo.
Naongea ukweli mwingi mpaka sasa watu wanaona shida, lakini endelea naibu wa rais kuongea ukweli.
Hindi ya mucemanio uyu maundu matiganite maria marahutia atumia hamwe na mwari ni kuhetukio kwa watho wa maiganania ni meyumiririe mutongoria thutha wa ungi makiranira gutigirira ati maundu ma atumia ni marahangirwo ni thirikari ya Kenya KWANZA.
Ano giki no kiruta riboti iteku preempt ndireciria wagiriire wega kugera gwi ciama o kiama kiagiriire kwirwo ndukarehe list itari na 2/3 tondu kwaria matiati gutikoragwo na atumia popular matura-ini mothe bururi.
Tukimaliza haya mazungumzo kwa muda mchache ujao tutakuwa tumefanikiwa yale ambayo hatujaweza kufanikiwa kwa muda wa zaidi ya miaka 10 kuhakikisha ya kuwa the 2/3 gender rule imetekelezwa hasa kwa bunge zetu za kitaifa.
We will provide enough legislation to ensure that when we go to the next election, you, our women, will be safe while contesting.
Continue pushing the agenda for women. Ensure women are appointed into boards, into any leadership position in the country.
Hadu ine Kameme TV, retore yako wane Kimani wa gutiri.